In this video, we'll tell you about indicators that predict the future. Learn what trading indicators are, how to use them, and what trading strategies work best with these tools. Start earning today with Pocket Option. What are trading indicators? Today, we'll explain what indicators are available on the Pocket Option platform and how they assist in market analysis. Indicators are tools that help traders better understand price movements and determine when to open or close a trade. On the Pocket Option platform, you'll find a wide selection of indicators for different trading strategies and styles. All indicators can be grouped into several types based on their purposes and characteristics. The main categories are trend indicators, oscillators, and volume indicators. Trend indicators, such as moving average and Bollinger Bands, help identify the primary trend direction. If the indicator shows an upward trend, it signals a potential price increase, and if it shows a downward trend, it suggests a decline. Oscillators like RSI and Stochastic are useful for analyzing overbought and oversold zones. These indicators show when an asset's price may be nearing a reversal, helping to find entry or exit points for a trade. Volume indicators like Bull's Power and Bear's Power show how actively an asset is being traded. They help assess the strength of price movement and determine if volumes support the current trend direction. On the Pocket Option platform, you can easily customize indicators to suit your needs. Adjust their parameters, colors, and chart display. We recommend using a demo account to test and practice with different indicators. How to use the moving average indicator. Today, we'll show you how to use the moving average indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. The simple moving average, or SMA, is an indicator that helps us see the overall direction of the market by ignoring random fluctuations. Using two SMA lines with different time frames, we can get signals to open a down or an up trade. The first indicator is fast, reflecting price changes over a short period of time, while the second one is slow, showing the overall trend. Go to the Indicators section. Select the Moving Average indicator to enable multiple SMA lines on your chart. Click on the editing icon next to the indicator name in the top left corner of the screen to adjust the SMA indicator settings. Set the time frame in the window that appears. For quick trades, the first SMA line can be set with a time frame of 3 seconds. It'll be the fast line. The other SMA line can be set for 5 seconds. It'll be the slow line. Choose color and thickness. Click on the Save button. When the fast SMA crosses the slow SMA from bottom to top, it signals to open an up trade. When the fast SMA crosses the slow SMA from top to bottom, it signals to open a down trade. Let's take an example. The fast SMA crossed the slow one from bottom to top here. We can also see a sharp spike in price. This was a perfect moment to open an up trade. In this case, the fast SMA crossed the slow SMA from top to bottom, and the price went down. It's a great moment to open a down trade. Experiment with different time frames and number of SMAs depending on the volatility of the asset and the expiry time of the trade.
How to use the RSI indicator. Today, we'll show you how to use the Relative Strength Index RSI indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a momentum indicator that helps you determine how much and how fast the price of an asset is changing. It ranges from 0 to 100 and is ideal for identifying entry and exit points in short-term trades. How to set up the RSI for short-term trades? Go to Indicators and select RSI. For short-term trades, consider reducing the standard period from 14 to 510 to make the indicator more sensitive to market movements. Watch for RSI values above 70, overbought, and below 30, oversold. These moments can offer good points to open trades. For example, if the indicator exceeds 70 from bottom to top, it's a signal to open an up trade. And if the indicator shows a value below 30 from top to bottom, it's a signal to open a down trade. Combine the RSI with chart analysis to refine signals. RSI can significantly improve your ability to make quick decisions based on market momentum data. Experiment with settings and find what works best for you.
How to use the MACD indicator. Today, we'll show you how to use the MACD indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. The MACD indicator shows the relationship between two moving averages of the asset price. It consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line, as well as a histogram that displays the difference between these lines. If the histogram is above the zero line and the peaks of the histogram bars are consistently rising, then there is an uptrend in the market. If the histogram is below the zero line, the trend is downward. How to set up the MACD indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. Set the fast line to 5 periods, the slow line to 13 periods, and the signal line to 4 periods. Watch for MACD and signal line crossover signals. If the MACD crosses the signal line from bottom to top, it is a signal to open an up trade, while crossing from top to bottom can serve as a signal to open a down trade. Use the MACD in combination with other indicators and market analysis to get better signals. How to use the Stochastic Oscillator trading indicator. Today, we'll show you how to use the Stochastic Oscillator indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. The Stochastic Oscillator is an indicator that shows the current price position relative to its previous highs and lows. It consists of two periods, the fast %K and the slow %D, and helps to identify moments when an asset might be overbought or oversold. How to set up the Stochastic Oscillator indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. For example, you can set periods like this: %K to 5, %D to 3, and the smoothing period to 3. Watch for stochastic line crossover signals. When the fast line %K crosses the slow line %D from bottom to top, it is a signal to open an up trade. If the crossover occurs from top to bottom, open a down trade. Use the stochastic indicator in combination with trend analysis for better results. How to use the Parabolic SAR trading indicator. Today, we'll show you how to use the Parabolic SAR indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. Parabolic SAR, or stop and reverse, is an indicator that helps to determine the trend direction and moments for a possible trend reversal. The indicator is displayed on the chart as dots that are placed above or below the price. How to set up the Parabolic SAR indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. For short-term trades, the acceleration parameter, also called step, is set to 0.02, and the maximum acceleration parameter, also called just maximum, is set to 0.2. When SAR dots cross the price from bottom to top, it is a signal to open a down trade. When SAR dots cross the price from top to bottom, it can be a good moment to open an up trade. Use Parabolic SAR in combination with other indicators such as MACD and ADX to improve the accuracy of the signals. How to use the Bollinger Bands trading indicator. The Bollinger Bands indicator was developed by John Bollinger. It consists of 3 lines, a moving average, and 2 outer lines, which are adjusted according to market volatility. These lines expand when the market is volatile and contract during calmer periods, helping to evaluate market dynamics and potential price reversals. How to set up the Bollinger Bands indicator for quick trades, starting at 5 seconds. For short-term trades, use a period of 20 and a deviation of 2. When the price reaches the lower line and starts to rebound, you can open a up trade. When the price touches the upper line and starts to recede, open a down trade. Use Bollinger Bands with other indicators such as RSI or MACD for more reliable signals. Try now. Follow the link in the description.